What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to yet again another video. Happy New Year's to everybody. I know you guys are watching this a couple days after New Year's, but hey, still I wanted to wish every single one of you a happy New Year's. I hope that this year, whatever you guys are having as your goals, you may accomplish them through hard work and dedication. So I just want to get that out of the way. I hope you guys are excited for today's video. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing, turn on post notifications, leave a like and a comment letting me know down below what you thought of today's review. For today's video, we have a sneaker review, a pair of shoes that I am a little excited to own, just because I always wanted this model of shoe. I just didn't know what color, but I have seen these shoes before, and I went ahead and put a bid on StockX and ended up winning the bid. And the shoes arrived almost a month ago, maybe around a month ago or 3 weeks ago, I don't know, and I had not had a chance to make the video, so today is the day. Alrighty, so I am gonna have to give a huge shout out to my boy Harrison Neville, because he is the one that put me onto these shoes right here. He made a video where he did, I think, I guess the most recent purchases he's done, or like most recent hype shoes, something like that. And he showed these shoes right here, and as you guys can see, we have the Nike Para Familiar. I thought it said Familia. Yeah, I'm just gonna say Nike Patta. So Familiar, and then Love for All is what says on the box. It's a super nice box in my opinion. I'm gonna show it to you guys on this angle right here that we're filming today with a 3-angle camera. So shout out to me for editing this video. And then here I want to show you guys the size tag. We have the above angle back, yes sir. So these right here are a size 6 in men's, 7.5 women, European 38.5. So I haven't tried these on. I'm not sure if they will fit me exact to size or if there's gonna be a little bit of room, so we'll see. I'll let you know. I promise to give you some on-feet shots at the end of this video, so stay tuned. Alrighty, so we're gonna get right into the sneaker, and we're just gonna go ahead and open it. I went ahead and purchased this colorway because out of the 2 that came out, this colorway was my favorite one. Oh my god, look at what I have here. I find my tape, measuring tape, finally. I have forgotten where I put it while I was moving from homes. So anyways, so this right here is my favorite color out of the 2 that came out. Orange is within the list of my favorite colors, so yeah. Alrighty, so here we have the first sneaker, and feels very, very light. And wow, look, they changed the StockX tags. Now they're like this, which is pretty nice. And they feel a little heavier, so that's quite nice. Let me take the other shoe out really quickly. We have some cream laces, which I will for sure be putting the cream laces on this shoe right here. I think it'll look 10 times better with some cream laces than the white ones that it has. It has the StockX sticker, which is so weird. I guess one of the last shoes I bought, which the video should be out this week, I received a different StockX sticker. So anyways, and then we have this little pouch right here, which contains oh wow, okay, so it has these things. It's like a bracelet or a little chain. Lastly, we have the StockX receipt. Here you guys can see I paid $222 for these shoes, which is a lot of money for a pair of sneakers, but again, it's a pair of shoes that I will wear. And like I told you the other day, I'm planning to buy sneakers that I want to wear. So we'll put the one that has the StockX tag to the side just so that it's not on the way, and then get right into reviewing it. So first things first, the nubuck material on the sneaker feels very, very nice. Feels somewhat premium because I do have a few sneakers that have nubuck materials, and this one right here definitely feels way better. I love the fact that it has this stitched in Nike swoosh, like small Nike swoosh right here on the toe part. Super nice touch right there. The swoosh, very nice. So this whole like orange parts are made out of nubuck. This panel right here, I believe it feels like in between leather and nubuck as well. And then we obviously have this like mesh material that we have right here. Very nice details. I love how they executed this shoe. We have the Nike Air stitching on the heel part. The stitching is very nice done. And then of course, we got to have this aged midsole. I love it. I wish I knew how to do these type of like aged midsoles to sneakers. I would probably do that to my New Balances that I have right here. I know these right here would look so nice if, you know, I was to age the midsole. And then we have the bottom. Now, this color palette right here to me is perfect. I am obsessed right now with the brown color palettes, like dark browns, light browns, beige, creams, whites, etc. Like all of those colors is kind of what I'm implementing in the rest of my house, except in this room. This room was supposed to be a bit moody, but this color palette right here is just so beautiful. Like this kind of like beige color with this like orange, which on camera it looks a bit pale. And then this heel part, I thought it was brown, but it looks like in between brown and like hints or hues of like purple color. So yeah, super nice details in my opinion. So I would say that this shoe right here, it's a very well executed sneaker. I love how they did this shoe and how they went out of their way and created these like pretty cool waves around the sneaker. I would say this shoe right here goes with pretty much anything that you wear, and I'm looking forward to putting a very fire outfit on Instagram, so make sure you guys go ahead and follow my account. It's going to be somewhere on the screen as well down in the description. Again, that's where I post my outfit photos, just showcasing everything that I usually review on the channel. And I'm going to have to cut it right here for today's video. This is already way too long. I hope I gave you guys enough information of what you get when you purchase this sneaker right here. My videos is all about that. I just want to be able to provide to you the full details of what you get when you purchase a certain shoe and the experience I had as a buyer. So these shoes right here, I got them within a week, maybe less, and it was because they came from StockX and it was super quick. So super happy I have these. I'm have to put them somewhere in the shelf. I believe I have a spot somewhere behind me right here. So anyways, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thank you so much if you made it all the way to the end, and expect more videos to come. I have a few more to film for today. And yeah, thank you for all the support. Peace.